How to install Drupal from Softaculous. Drupal is a content management system, so scroll down to the CMS group in the menu. Click Drupal. This overview page shows you information about the software before installing. Click Install. The default settings here should work for most purposes. If you have multiple domains on one account, you can select where to install. The next two boxes let you set the directory and database name, which will be created upon installation. You can set the site name here. This can be changed later from the admin panel of the software. Enter the admin username, password, and email. Click Install. After a moment, the software will be installed. Use this link to view your newly installed application. Here is our new CMS, ready to be used. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.